In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a conversation in Slack. If your Slack sidebar is starting to feel cluttered, leaving a channel you no longer use is one of the easiest ways to clean things up and cut down on unnecessary notifications. This is especially helpful if a project has wrapped up, a team discussion is no longer relevant to you, or you simply want a more organized workspace. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the fastest method to leave a channel directly from the sidebar. Before we begin, there's one important thing to keep in mind. You usually can't leave your workspace's primary default channels, which are often channels like general announcements or team-wide communication spaces. Also, if you leave a private channel, you won't be able to rejoin it on your own later. A remaining member will need to invite you back in, so just make sure you're ready to leave before confirming. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser and log into your workspace if needed. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar where your channels are listed. Under the Channels section, scroll until you find the specific channel you want to leave. Take a second here to confirm you've selected the correct one, especially if the channel names are similar. When you've found the right channel, right-click directly on the channel name. This will open a Quick Actions menu with several options related to that channel. This menu is the fastest shortcut because it lets you manage the channel without opening it first. From that drop-down menu, click on Leave Channel. If the channel is public, Slack will usually remove it from your sidebar immediately, and that's it. You're done. You'll no longer see it in your active channel list, and you'll stop getting updates from it unless you join it again later. If the channel is private, Slack will show you a warning prompt before completing the action. This extra confirmation is there because private channels are more restricted. To continue, click the red Leave Channel button in the prompt to confirm your exit. After that, the private channel will disappear from your sidebar as well, and that's all there is to it. It's a very quick process, but it can make a big difference in keeping your Slack workspace cleaner and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.